Alright, we're here at Meter Technology Works, going to do a quick test, a little demonstration for Yes and Avalon regarding the FAM meter, and just a basic rundown of how it works. This is our 4-meter test bench with incoming supply line down here at the bottom with a shut-off valve and a filter, an accumulator. We run those on our test tank too, just like the manufacturers do. We've got a Neptune encoded meter. We're going to look at that here in a few minutes. Just a spacer tube as a placeholder. This is our master meter FAM. We'll come back to that. Another spacer tube as a space holder. Pressure gauges. We're running off of line pressure, 40 psi. I'm going to go through this valve assembly, rotameter to tell us how many gallons per minute we're flowing, and then we're going to go into this tank. But first, a quick rundown. Master meter FAM, flexible axis meter. Nothing unusual there. This is our pulse initiator, or our pulse probe. I'm going to take this out for just a minute and twist this and remove it from the assembly to show you, I hope, the magnet, which is right here by my thumb. There's a little magnet on that, embedded in that gray plastic piece. And what happens is that gray plastic piece rotates once for every 10 gallons. And then this pulse initiator has a switch that senses the magnet, and it sends that pulse out to whatever it's connected to. It's a passive device, so there's no voltage associated with it. There's no current associated with it. But what will happen is that will go to a remote reading device. Right now we have it connected to this remote counter, which I'll go ahead and turn the remote counter on. And the remote counter says 100. It's not really 100, which is funny because the FAM says 70. These matched a minute ago, but as I put this pulsar in, I moved it past this magnet, and that's really the issue we're looking at, is that magnet interfering with this pulsar when it's not supposed to. So if I go back to the counter, now no water's flowed through the meter yet. I haven't done anything with the meter. So, right, it says 140. We're still 70 here on the meter. So that was just a matter of the pulse initiator being actuated by the magnet because I did something that I wasn't supposed to do. I'm going to pause this video now. I'm going to reassemble this. I'm going to sync up the counter, the remote counter with the meter, and we're going to do a flow test so I can show you what's going on.